beach walk once in the spring and once in the fall. We just completed our annual spring beach walk. As we're going along the beach in Presque Isle, looking for degradation that happens over the fall and winter months, where a lot of storm surges come and push up the sand, causing a lot of erosion.
It's a long history of this project going back, at this point, 150 years, partnership between the state and the Corps of Engineers and the locals. Having that conversation, that discussion with the people who use and experience the beach every day is crucial to us understanding how they're utilizing the beach, and then to them understanding why we're doing what we're doing. We go out there, we find an area of erosion, we figure out where that area of erosion starts, and then I'm oftentimes just pacing the beach. I'll start at the waterline and I'll just take paces, and measure out a rough. It's 60 feet to the scarp and the dune. And then, we only have 15 feet from the edge of that scarp and the dune to the tree line, the vegetation line that we're trying to protect. So you come back with that basic cross section, you know how far out you need to try and construct that dune. It's a continual evolution of technology, right? You go back to the early inspection reports from this project. The people who came before me were literally out there with a film camera taking pictures. They would get that dropped off the next day, get those photos developed a few days later, be pulling those out on their desk, looking at them that way. By the time I started, we had point and shoot digital cameras, but there was no geo-referencing, there was no panoramic shots, there was none of that was built into it. With cell phones now, I was using paper to make my notes and cross sections, but all of my photos were still taken by cell phone. Those photos are fully geo-referenced with our file transfer capabilities, so I can dynamically just pick each photo as I need, correlate that with my notes as I'm going through and doing the design analysis.
Certainly paper, I think especially for yesterday, it's still needed, but I'm trying to push the boundaries of where this app can go. So that's why I try and use it as much as possible.
It's gotten implemented, and it's just a huge tool for what we do for field data collection now. It has made an absolute massive difference in our quality of data collection and our ability to accurately map what we're seeing in the field. And having that opportunity to teach him and see him develop and see him gain confidence and be able to do more and more on his own is incredibly rewarding.
I'm fortunate to work with him, although I don't always let him know that.